Yo, good morning. Hey guys, just gonna do a quick little fix today. Driving that 2015 Fiesta, and we got our first real snowstorm here in Michigan, and let the car sit outside overnight. Had a bunch of snow on the front windshield. Started the car the next morning, and I didn't have heat. Turns out, after doing a little online research, when the snow melts, it creates moisture, freezes the blower motor, and then it doesn't work the next morning because it sits all night. So there's two service bulletins. One has like a little riser over the windshield cowl, and then the second one has a screen. So I got the risers in. I'm gonna put those on today, and then my screen should be in Monday. So hopefully we can get both those taken care of, and I can have heat, because after living for 4 years on the beach in Florida, I need heat in Michigan. So we're on our way to the Ford dealership, so we'll be there shortly. All right, well, we made it here. Going to the Ford dealership that my mom's been buying her cars from for the past like 40 years, and they just did a sweet new renovation. So check this thing out. Look how big this is. Got a huge awning too. This baby's sweet. All right, let's go inside, grab some parts, go back home, and freeze inside the garage. All right, we're gonna pull the parts out and see what we got. Just one thing. Not too bad. 80 bucks for little clip-on plastic pieces. Cool. Okay, and you can see mine don't have a plastic cover, and these just kind of clip on something like that. Yeah, something like that. And then when you shut the hood, they seal way closer. Hard to see. They seal way closer up against the hood, and when snow falls, it can't get down in there, or as much. And then hopefully we have heat. So let me figure out how to clip these things on, and then I'll show you after it's done, and hopefully they stay on and I have heat tomorrow when it snows again. All right, so actually, it looks like they just have the little Christmas trees, and you just kind of pop them in place. So that's really cool that that's easy. They just go in to the fins of the vent there. One more little guy. Cool. I just broke that. Cool, and they're on. I mean, they could have done a cooler job with the foam. Use more like a hood seal. Something like that would have been cooler, but whatever. Well, they seal way better. Cool. That was a lot shorter video than what I thought it was, so I'm gonna go inside, drink some coffee, and be lazy because it's cold and snowy in Michigan. Maybe one day we'll go to work on the Grom if it ever warms up again. So, cool. Thanks for watching.